Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today we're going to be doing Ipsy. So excited. This is Ipsy for July. The bag is absolutely stunning. It's like holographic blue. So it came with a little card. It says, ready to dive into summer? Buy them. Yeah, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this Ofra eyeshadow. Just a Ofra single shadow. It looks like it's a black shade. I don't see the shade name on it yet, so maybe it's on the inside. We'll open her up and check her out. So that's what it looks like. It's like a black glittery shade. That's what it looks like. Swatch it for you. So it may not be the best swatch, but that's what it looks like. It's just a black glittery shade. Basically just like a single shadow that you could put in like some kind of Z palette or something. I need to get one of those because I do have some single shadows. So it'd be nice to get one of those. So the next thing that I got is this Lord & Berry Mandarin lip liner. I also got this Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Green Light eyeliner. And next I got this Hemp's Herbal Extracts Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. Blah, 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 blah. That's a mouthful right there. But it's basically just a moisturizer. Last but not least, I got this Sebamed Liquid Face and Body Wash for sensitive skin. So this is obviously something I'm not going to be able to test out in the video because it's a body wash, so you got to do that in the shower. So I'm going to test this out off camera, of course, and by the time this video goes up, I'll let you guys know if I like it or not in the description box, and if I don't, then I'll put it in a different video in the description box of how this is working out for me, or if I like it or not. I'll at least smell it to see what it smells like. It kind of smells like aloe a little bit. Oh, well, I guess we're going to use some right now because I just accidentally squirted some out trying to smell it. I was going to use it anyway. But I'm assuming it's going to smell like pineapple and melon because that's what it said on there. And that's exactly what it smells like. It smells like tropically and fruity and stuff like that. Can't really rub it on the back of this hand because I got swatches on there. But just rubbing it into the hands and the arms, it feels really nice. It makes my skin feel really soft and it doesn't feel too greasy. It does a little bit, but I'm not really that big a fan of lotion. I mean, I like to use lotion like on my face and stuff, but I hate to have it like on my hands for too long because you know it like starts to feel like weird and like greasy and stuff. I don't know if that's just me, but I like to put it on my body and my face and everything like that, but I don't really like to like leave it on my hands. I know you need to moisturize your hands also, but I just hate that it like kind of makes you feel like greasy and like you didn't shower even though you just did, and then you put lotion on, you know what I mean? So it's just kind of something that bothers me, but my skin does look like hydrated and stuff, and it feels really soft, and my hands do feel a little greasy like they would, but I mean, it's not like an extensive amount or anything too crazy. I could probably handle it. It's just my personal preference, so I do like this moisturizer. I'll definitely use it again. So now I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush first and see what it does. I put a powder down on my eyes so that they wouldn't be all like greasy and stuff because I don't have a eyeshadow primer on, so that's just what I did for my primer. And I'm just going to put this all over the lid and see what it does with a fluffy brush. So I know right now it doesn't really look as pigmented as it probably could, but that's just because I'm using a fluffy brush. I just wanted to see how it would react. It's not too dark and it actually looks kind of nice. I'd probably prefer it with a more dense brush. So let's try it like that. Maybe put it in the crease or something and see how that looks. I feel like, of course, with other shadows, this would definitely look a lot better. But I didn't want to use too many products, or like really any. Like, I try not to use any extra products whenever I'm testing out my glam bags and stuff like that. And boxycharm, I just try to use the products that I have, or do whatever is needed off camera to perform those tasks. So I mean, it doesn't look horrible. You can tell that it's shimmery. So maybe if I took a flat brush and tried to put it on like a shimmery shade and maybe see how that looks. Like pack it onto the lid versus brushing it around. The fallout, which kind of sucks with black shades because once they get somewhere, it's kind of hard to get them off. So I just figured I'd let you guys know that. Packing it on helped a little bit with the pigment. You definitely see it more. I feel like this is definitely something that I would use in like the outer corner to deepen it up, or in the lower lash line maybe. Yeah, I feel like that would look better there versus like on the actual like lid like I'm trying to use it for. I think I'm making it work, but I feel like it would probably look better if I had other shades with it. Maybe if I would have just put it in like the lower lash line and maybe like the outer crease of a different look, that would probably be better. But this is what we got going on right now. I probably look crazy because this is a black eyeshadow and you gotta be really careful with those. I do like a lot of Ofra products. So now I'll go in with the liner and I'm gonna try to put that in my waterline. I don't really want to tug on my waterline to hold it down, but I am just going to like a little bit just to open it up a little bit more so that I can get the liner in there. So I definitely like the combo of the black and the green on the lower lash line. That looks pretty cool. So this is a type of eyeliner. You can have it on the lid or you could put it in the lower lash line. I just figured I'd put it in the lower lash line, but I do like it with the black. Maybe not the whole like lid, but if you just look at the lower lash line with the green and then the black under it, that looks pretty good. So with that eyeshadow shade, I shouldn't have just used it by itself. I should have tried to use it with an eye look. I don't know how good or bad it looks to you guys, but like up close, I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but I would have liked to use it with other shades too, just to make it look better. And the last product is a lip liner. So I'm going to line my lips with this and then I'm going to fill it in with a lipstick. So let's just see how this looks. The lips are lined and now I'm going to put a lipstick on. This did not come in my glam bag, but I'm just letting you guys know what I'm using that matches with this. If you did end up getting this in your Ipsy glam bag or you want to order this, the lipstick that I'm going to use over it to fill it in is the NYX matte lipstick in shade Indie Flick. And it definitely is. So as I've let the moisturizer sink into my skin, it doesn't feel as like greasy. I don't really know what word to use. I don't really like to use greasy or oily, but you guys know how lotions feel sometimes whenever they're on your hands, that the texture just kind of like feels weird. But it actually pretty much soaked in, so I don't really feel it that much anymore. So that's nice that after a little while that feeling does go away. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. So I really do like the moisturizer. It did make my skin feel like nice and soft. I really like the lip liner. I think it did a really good job of lining my lips. This is a first impressions for all these things. I like to make that clear. So I've never tried any of this before, so I don't know how long wearing any of this stuff is. I like to always put that out there just so you guys know, but just as first impressions wise, I like the moisturizer, I like the lip liner, I like the eyeliner, and the eyeshadow. So I like everything that I got in my glam bag. I definitely need to do a different look with the eyeshadow just so that you can see it perform a little better than just by itself. Because I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but I wouldn't probably go out like this. Obviously not with just one eye done. It will, and the lips with the eyes kind of looks a little crazy. I kind of look like Halloween. I don't know why I didn't get this stuff for October for Halloween, so maybe they should have did that. But it still looks nice. I do like everything that I got, and I'll definitely be using it again. Like I said, the only thing that I didn't get to use is, yeah, so I'll definitely try this out like I said. So I liked everything. I don't know how I feel about the body wash yet, but everything else was good, and I ended up liking it. So I do have a referral link for Ipsy in the description box. If you use my Ipsy referral link to start getting Ipsy for yourself, which is like a monthly thing for $10 a month, you get 5 products. Some of them are sample size, some of them are like deluxe size, and you get 5 things for $10 a month. But if you sign up using my referral link, I will get points to get more products to review for you guys. And I also have a referral link and code for boxycharm. So if you wanted to order boxycharm, which is $21 a month, and you get full size products, you usually get between like 4 and 5, I think. Sometimes they put more in there. Like I've had it for like 3 or 4 months, and I normally get like 5 or 6, maybe 7 things sometimes, depending on what it is. So that's $21 a month. But if you use my referral link and code for boxycharm, I get points. It's just the same as Ipsy. I get points to get more products to review for you guys. So those are in the description box if you did want to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and also check out the description box for more information about this video, for the referral links, and for my social medias. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.